So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix if your Android phone is not turning on. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, I will recommend you to charge your phone and then see if it's charging or not. If it's not showing charging, then I will recommend you to change your charger and charge from another charger and let it charge for 15 to 20 minutes and still your Android phone is not turning on, to force restart the phone. And if it's still not turning on, I will recommend you to reset the phone. And after all this, if it's still not turning on, check if there is any damage on the phone. If it is there any damage, I will recommend you to visit a technician and let them fix your phone. So that's how you can fix your Android phone if it's not turning on. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.